Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today I just wanted to go over a little recap of the day and how I made over $1,200 today with fully automated software. Okay, so just a little recap of the day. We had the NQ trader on the new contracts, and these new contracts are the March contracts. And these were the trades for the day on the NQ trader. We had a one contract long. This was a opening range breakout trade. There's a lot of different strategies and stuff coded into the system. So it takes basically, there's a bunch of different trade setups is what I was trying to say that it can take. Okay. This takes into consideration time, like how long it takes to form the range. Basically, there's a whole bunch of stuff. I don't want to go too into depth, but there's piles of code in the background that goes into this. So it took 4 trades. All 4 were winners. Just one contract on every trade today. Each trade is about $250 in profit. This trade, a little bit of slippage, so smaller win. So about 150-ish here. So up right around 750, 800 bucks roughly on the day here with the NQ trader. Okay, so pretty good day today. Again, Friday last week, this was non-farm payroll day, and I mentioned everyone probably don't trade it on non-farm payroll. It had a 4 contract loss, a 12 contract loss, and then 3 12 contract wins back to back, which then would have put you pretty good in the profit again. But again, I mentioned to everyone don't turn it on non-farm payroll day. If you want to run in sim, go ahead. Today, regular day, no news. Pretty good momentum as well. So pretty good there. Okay. Gas trader, the other automated thing we have. I don't have my fills on the chart because, it's the end of the day now. But the gas trader took a short overnight at 3 a.m. Central. Entry was around this candle 2.060, and then was up about, I think it was about $1,000 per contract at the very high, and then it came back, stopped us out at 2.047, so right here, and then that stopped us out for about $500 per contract in profit, and that was the only trade for the day with the gas trader. So up about $500 per contract with the gas trader today, and again the NQ trader up 750, 800 bucks today. And NQ trader looking very consistent. Again, for the NQ trader, you can take micro contracts. Okay. So MNQ contracts today took a 1 contract loss at 5 a.m. Then took a 4 micro. Remember, these are micro contracts. 4 micro contract win, 1 contract win, 1 contract win. So overall, net profit there on the micros. And then if you were still trading the December contracts took a 1 contract loss, 4 contract win, 1 and 1. And then the micro Decembers, we'll check those for you. Looks like this one had 4 1 contract wins today. So they do vary a little bit. Each contract varies a little bit different. Micros are a little different, obviously, than minis, right? The order flow and stuff in the background, a lot different. So keep that in mind, but still very consistent. And this could be perfect for a personal account because, if you lose, you're losing way smaller than with the actual NQ contracts. And then if you hit a good win streak, I counted the other day on, let me show you this. Oh, I can't, the data isn't loaded back there, but there was a 13 trade win streak. I mean, I can show you, this was part of the win streak right here. We had 1 win, 1 stop, win, 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 win. So it can go on pretty good win streaks. Again, here it's already in a 4 win streak here, and another win the previous day. But micros could work really good for a 25K prop firm account, or potentially a small personal account, right? because this will make you money long term. It's just about managing risk on the firm accounts, right? So just keep that in mind. But overall, very consistent day, over $1,200 on the day with the automated systems. So good there. Just want to give you guys an update. So have a good rest of your day, guys. I'll see you later.